Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Hidden Taste of India. In this video, we will show you how to create a fun and festive atmosphere that your little ones will love. From balloons to DIY decoration, we have got you covered all the sections. In this video, I am sharing with you all Mickey Mouse birthday party decoration idea. We will take you through a world of Disney magic, showcasing the best decoration idea to make your party unforgettable. So, watch the video till the end for so many decorations. If you like any of the decoration, then take a screenshot of it and make a decoration like that. And if you want more such design, then visit my YouTube channel. Kids love cartoons and Mickey Mouse are one of their favorite cartoons, so definitely decorate your birthday with these beautiful designs. Hope you like my video. If you like it, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want more such birthday decoration idea, then visit my channel because I have uploaded so many videos on decoration with very different themes, and even I have shared so many cake designs. Hope you enjoy my video. If you enjoy it, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.